I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WP Funnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WP Funnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on 3 dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action. GamiPress. Connect. Connected with GamiPress successfully. Next. Choose an action. Choose an enter point. Map the respective fields. I am using custom form fields. You can use a number field on your form field. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now create a new user. Go to incognito mode and log into your new site which you recently created. Go to the site post and post a comment. And go to another site and go to comment and approve the comment. Now go to your user's profile, and you can see here after the comment the points balance was added successfully. Thanks for watching.